makune party so like my family gathering yabo mara party grot yabo sure from lapho okay besaseyincosi like during the day like this busy sidlala sekuthe ubusuku bro kwaba nomshado same time but family gathering kwaba nomshado yabo one of our family members was getting married yeah so bro kwaqala ukujiva ke abangabami bajiva radala one by one mangithi ngiyangena angibona ngishaya ezona bengazi ukuthi ngiyenzani mara bengijiva
so ngibone la kabantu bakutshela ukuthi hayi mnandi le umshado
yeah bogcwele like webaya like labona la ngikhuza attention wonke umuntu bese kabhekile
so ukuthi u-invite ne crowd ukuthi la webo umnandi ngakhona
exactly Joe
lento le imane yasuka nje abenga practice
next mina bengisithandela ukudlalela ibhola khaba ibhola yabo I'm from lapho ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyintswembu mangiqhubeka ngibheka kanje staba ngiyabona ukuthi ngizama ukupractice amanye ama dance mina by that time bengisaploma eLimpopo yabo bengisaploma eLimpopo and ama dance kade ngafani thina eLimpopo bokujiva ilekom
kono kuyaka kono kuyaka kono kuyaka so ilinkombo if is something from that
yeah mara besikava ezinye dance yeah ne music elikompo beyikhona mara like yamanje i-new wave yabo
yamanje shibishe
yeah i-new wave yamanje yabo yakudala angazi ukuthi ngithi ma old school nyana monga mamela angeke ngizwe ngathi likompo mara likompo yabo kuma ama-hit akudala yabo mara yamanje i-new wave
yamanje seyimamela ngobantu
yamanje new wave yeah baze